How to hide all TikTok videos at once on Android. This tutorial shows you how to change the visibility of all your videos in one go, without hiding them one by one. First, hiding your TikTok videos one by one can be really time consuming and annoying. So, in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to hide everything at once in just a few steps. After that, open TikTok on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. At this point, scroll down and under Content and Display, tap on Activity Center. In the next step, from the list, tap on Manage Post Visibility. Following this, you will see different tabs at the top, including All, Followers, Friends, and Only You. Make sure you are on the All tab to see all your public posts. Once done, select all the videos you want to hide by tapping on them. From here, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, a pop-up will appear, asking who can see these videos. Select Only You to hide them all from public view at once. Finally, once confirmed, all your selected videos will now be hidden from your profile and only visible to you. And that's it. If this TikTok guide helped you hide all your videos at once, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.